says, my word is wonderful thanks to you. Complete it. We have to say, my word is wonderful thanks to you. Mi mundo es maravilloso gracias a ti. So, and as a topic, we are going to start with what time is it? Do you remember what time is it? Very good. In this part, we have to start with time, with hours. And we have what time is it? ¿Qué hora es? Yes? Remember, for English class, we have to start horas en punto, minutos pasados, minutos cuartos, medias y minutos para. Yes? As a day, remember that 1 hour has 60 minutes. En una hora tenemos 60 minutos. Remember it. So, when I have horas en punto, so we have always start with it's. Siempre vamos a empezar con it's. It's, in front of it's, we have to start. It's the number 1. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Remember, o'clock, it is en punto. It's 1 o'clock, es la una en punto. If I have maybe 2, it's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Good. Now, the question says, what time is it? And imagine we have those 10. We have to start with it's 2, 10. It's 2:10. Yes? So, other, when I have quarters, cuando tenemos cuartos, we have to say, it's a quarter. It's a quarter or quarter after, and we have to mention the hour. In this case, we have 6. It's a quarter after 6. Good. Then, 3:30, we have to start again with it's 3, because it's the hour, 30. It's 3:30. Yes? And when I have minutes too, we have to use 2. 53 para 60, how many? ¿Cuánto me falta? Good. So 7. We have to start with it's 7, son 7, 2, 2. ¿Por qué? Porque son 7 para las 2. Very good. So, again, when I have, cuando tengo horas en punto, entonces yo voy a mencionar el o'clock. Si tengo minutos pasados, menciono primero la hora y después los minutos. Si tengo cuartos, voy a mencionar el it's, a quarter after y la hora en la que estamos. ¿Sales? En este caso fue 6. Cuando son horas medias, recuerden que se dice it's, la hora, diagonal, guión 0, 30. Y cuando son minutos para, utilizamos to. En este caso son 7 para las 2. Ya no podemos usar 1 porque ya vamos a cambiar de hora. So, this is all for the topic. Remember, you have to copy it. Recuerden que deben de copiarlo. Yes? So, and then we have to start with the books. Vamos a empezar con los libros. In this part, I'm going to start with the activity book, page number 42 and 43. In this part, en esta parte, we have to start with look and answer. Tenemos que mirar cada hora del reloj y contestar, pero este se va a contestar mediante un audio. You have to make me an audio. Me tienes que hacer un audio. And you have to tell me the hours. Y en esto me tienes que decir las horas.
In English, of course, en inglés, por supuesto. This part we aren't gonna work, no vamos a trabajar en esta parte, but we have to start with the page number 43. En la página 43, we have to work with months of the year and ordinal numbers. And says, what's Matt's birthday? ¿Cuándo es el cumpleaños de Matt? You have to mention me and you have to write in this part. When's Robert's birthday and when's Sally's birthday? Yes, in this part we have the month. So, this is all for the student book. When I have the activity book, we have to answer. This is a little review, and we say, review number 3. Complete. We have cardinal numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be like this. Then part we have the ordinal numbers. Remember, they aren't the same. No es lo mismo decir uno que primero. Son números cardinales, números ordinales. Like a first, second, third, and we have to complete this. And after that we have to use the months of the year. Y vamos a recordar los meses del año. Then we have to complete according the drawings. Vamos a completar de acuerdo a los dibujos. My birthday is on, and you have to give me it's a quarter, and we have to complete. We have to complete one by one. After that, we have to see and color this part. Vamos a ver, vamos a observar y colorear. We have to answer these questions. Vamos a contestar estas preguntas. What day is it? ¿Qué día es hoy? What's the date? ¿Cuál es la fecha? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? What's Tom doing? ¿Qué está haciendo Tom? What's Katie doing? What's Mr. Kill doing? And what's Mrs. Kill doing? Yes? And dear students, that's all for today. Recuerden, como evidencia voy a requerir sus fotos y el audio. Yes? So, my dear students, remember I miss you so much. Recuerden que sí los extraño demasiado. I give you a big hug. Les mando un fuerte abrazo. And that's all for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye, dear students.